Reciba mi cordial saludo, estimada profesora. Mi nombre es Esther Elena Luna Quesquén. Me identifico con mi número de DNI 75188346. My professional profile. Graduate in the professional career of administration from the Señor Recipan University. Wow, analytical training and the ability to interpret and solve problems efficiently. In addition to a manager of the procedures and systems that guide public management in order to contribute to the achievement of institutional goals. I consider myself a professional with its adaptability to the environment, prepared to work under pressure and with a solid academic, moral, and ethical background. My qualities include leadership capacity, commitment to the goals set on initiative, flexibility in the face of change, analytical capacity. Professional experience. Provincial Municipality of Chiclayo, Deputy Manager of Planning and Budget, 28-23. District Municipality of Lajas, Head of the Treasury Area, 2022-2023. District Municipality of Lajas, Budget Area Assistance, 2024-2026. Conclusions. The purpose of the CV is to show a summary of a professional and academic career, and it must subject an attribute and concrete profile in the minds of those responsible of the selection process. After all the goals into the personal interview, therefore the CV will be the first impression they will have as, and it is very important to take care of its preparation by following the correct steps. Therefore, it is worth investing all the time and work that is necessary so that the final results reflect everything you want, can offer and transmit this best image to the employer. Thank you.